A warm greetings to everyone. I am DM Kalai Selvi, Assistant Professor, CAC Department, R&D Engineering College. Now we are going to see about the continuation of the previous video requirement engineering under object-oriented software engineering subject. So previously we have seen till negotiation. So next stage of requirement engineering will be specification. So specification can be a written document, a set of graphical models, a formal mathematical model, or a collection of usage scenarios, a prototype, or a combination of these. So it describes software function, constraints, and performance of the system. Validation. So the work products produced or assessed for quality during a validation step. Requirement validation examines the specification to ensure that all software requirements have been stated unambiguously, that inconsistencies, omissions, and errors have been detected and corrected, and that the work products conform to the standards established. The primary requirements validation mechanism is the technical review. The review team that validates requirements includes software engineers, customers, users, and other stakeholders who examine the specification looking for errors in content or interpretation, areas where clarification may be required, missing information, inconsistencies. Requirement management. Requirements for compact-based system change and desire to change requirements persist throughout the life of the system. Requirement management will be the set of activities that helps the project team identify, control, and track requirements and changes to requirements at any time as the project needs. Process of managing requirements during the requirement engineering process and system development. The workflow of the requirement engineering starting from the inception. So from the various customers and stakeholders from multiple viewpoints during the initial communication, it will get the information, and the elicitation phase, it extract the problem of scope, problem of understanding, problem of validity. Explain elaboration phase will explain the scenarios, and negotiation will be the cooperation with the stakeholders, and the specification will be having the SRS, software SRS document, and the final work product, and validation when errors detected in the SRS has been corrected, and the requirement managements you will be managing with all the things of the requirements. Thank you.